Welcome to our channel, where we bring you mouthwatering keto diet recipes that are also healthy. Today, we have a special treat for all you keto enthusiasts. A delicious, and of course, healthy, tilapia dish. Tilapia is a versatile fish that can be prepared in numerous ways, and today we'll show you a keto-friendly recipe. First, let's gather all the ingredients: fresh tilapia fillets, lemon juice, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. To keep this recipe keto-friendly, we'll be using olive oil instead of butter, and we won't be adding any breadcrumbs. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, season the tilapia fillets with a pinch of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a dash of paprika. Drizzle the fillets with olive oil and squeeze fresh lemon juice over them for a burst of flavor. Place the tilapia fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the fish in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until it's cooked through and flakes easily. While the tilapia is baking, we can prepare a simple and colorful side salad. Grab a bowl and toss together some fresh mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and avocado. To dress the salad, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a separate bowl. Once the tilapia is ready, serve it alongside the refreshing salad for a satisfying and healthy keto meal. Tilapia is an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients. The best part is, this dish is low in carbs and high in healthy fats, perfect for those following a keto diet. Try this delightful keto-friendly tilapia recipe tonight and let us know how it turns out. Remember to visit the link below this video for a free keto diet cookbook and a 7-day keto diet course.